Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do a slow motion zoom in video edit on CapCut. So you're going to go to the part where you want the video to start zooming in. I'm just going to start here, and I'm just going to add another one here, and I'm also going to split this video before the keyframe starts, like here maybe. Oops, sorry. Like here. And then on the second keyframe, you're going to want to zoom in like so. And then on this like part of the video, go to speed, go to normal, and change the speed to around 0.6 seconds. And then press better quality and press the checkmark button and wait for the smooth slow-mo to apply to your video, which sometimes take a long time according to like how long the duration of the video is. And once you're done, you're going to go to graphs, and you're going to either select ease in 1, ease in 2, or ease in 3. I'm going to choose ease in 2 for this one. If you want the video to be slower, just select it and go to speed, go to normal, and make it a little bit slower. I don't think it is slow enough, so I'm going to add that in. You can also add in a flicker effect if you want. I'm just gonna show you after I apply this slow motion. It's by using like video effects, by the way. So this is optional, but you can go to effects, go to video effects, and you can go to party, and you can add in like black flash, or maybe like the strobe one. You can add that in too. Press the checkmark button and just add it to the slow motion zoom. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!